Alright, what's good, Grizzly Squad? It's your boy Grizzly Squad. I'm back with another daggone video. So today, y'all, I'm gonna be tinkering around with my Mazda 3, man. So the weather looks good, but it's not. It's cold, but the sun is, I mean, it's kind of warm, but if the sun go down, it'll be freezing right now. So I'm gonna be tinkering with my Mazda. I needed to get a new thermostat anyway. So I'll show y'all right now. I already got the new thermostat. Of course, I went to AutoZone, got that joint. This is what the Mazda 3 thermostat look like. Those who want to change it. And I think the thermostat is over here. Yeah, it's right here. If y'all see, I don't know if y'all can see it. It's like down there somewhere. All right, but about to change the thermostat. About to get that done. I got some things for my 300 that came in the mail. Hopefully I get that done this video or the next video. Oh yeah, and go ahead and get the stickers, y'all. The stickers are $10. Okay, I have 3 of each sticker left. The stickers are $10, and if you have Cash App, hit me up. If you don't have Cash App, I don't know what to do, but I'm doing everything by Cash App, man. And you know, I got my dog Charles right here, man.
You ready to make this thing happen?
Yeah. So I'm gonna try my best to see what's going on, but Charles gonna guide me. Yeah, Charles gonna guide me through the way. Yeah. And we're gonna figure this thing out.
I gotta get a shorter extension.
Okay. But yeah, all right, y'all, don't skip them ads, man. Keep on subscribing to the Grizzly Marty channel, because I'm coming with these bangers every single goddamn day. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know, do what you gotta do. All right. Join the Grizzly gang and the 300 gang. If you got a 300, you 300 gang. If you just want to just join the subscribe to the channel, hey man, you Grizzly gang, man, all day. We strong, you know, we keep on. Hey, never forget the Buster. Y'all already know who that is. If y'all know who that is, comment down below if y'all know who that is. Definitely somebody I looked up to, man. He was crazy, funny actor. I liked all his action movies. He's always running his movies, just like Will Smith. Will Smith always running his movies and stuff like that. He was about the same way, but it was action packed. And of course, I'm a car head. I'm a car lover, always been. So you already know the movie I'm talking about. If you already know, it is Fast and Furious, man. That's Paul Walker, man. The dude, crazy how he died. Kind of just like how Kobe did too, man. Just unforeseen occurrences. Like, you didn't know that was gonna happen that day, and it happened. So always love you. Always keep your loved ones close, and always tell me you love them, man, because you never know if you're gonna see them tomorrow.
Putting it back in.
Can I sell that?
Yeah, you can sell it like that.
Get that money.
Just the way you putting it in like that. Yep.
Oh yeah, that's how I did.
Yeah.
All right, so which one I have first?
No, just stick it. I wonder if we can do this without putting them holes in.
What's that? What's that little thing?
What's what?
How's that move? Am I supposed to pull that out?
No. That's the thing that opens and closes it. Don't worry about it.
Is it in there?
It's in there. Yeah. It's right there.
Oh, okay.
It's supposed to just stay.
It looks like it's supposed to be there.
No, stay. It's
weird.
Yeah, let's just set it in there. No, don't go that way. No, through the big hole.
Cause I gotta go. Whoa.
This hole right here, man. Why you go through that way?
Cause it's easy. All right, so y'all, we got it now. Charles is tightening up. No, he's putting on the clamp right to the hose. Then we pretty much done at this joint, man. So this job took about 45 minutes to an hour. you know, depending on how you work and how you get things done. So I think the next step is to fill it up back up with some antifreeze.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. So what antifreeze I got? Got the 50/50. I ain't gonna try to spend too much on this car, but I'm gonna do what I can do, you know. She's gonna have some nice wheels though, so yeah. Alright, y'all, so we are done with the thermostat. The car is running real good. Now I ain't gotta worry about, you know, being too cold. Alright, it's still blowing hot. It's still blowing hot. Alright, cool. That's all I'm worried about. It's blowing that nice heat, you know, because it get cold in Maryland. Right now it's not that cold. I don't know what's going on, you know, this global warming and stuff. But the thermostat is done. Everything is done. Got some antifreeze in the joint. This is the old one, so I'm gonna throw that away in the trash. But yeah, all right. So now, what I'm about to do now is I'm about to go to my my 300. I'm gonna bring that over and I'm gonna show y'all what I'm about to put on there. All right, y'all. So I'm at the house. About to go pick up Black Beauty. Something is about to change. Y'all let me know what's about to change to her. Alright, let's go ahead and start her up. Cold start, baby. Woo! She angry. She angry, girl. Oh yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all about it. I don't know if my lights are blinking. Let me see. They're only blinking because I think it's like the frequency of like the GoPro or whatever. But if you're looking at it in real life, they're not blinking at all. So yeah. The gang. So what I'm gonna be changing today is gonna change my car like drastically. Like, all right, everything looks good. Everything looks all right. Oh yeah, y'all see the wicker bill? Don't forget I got the wicker bill, man. Yes sir, got that. But one thing I need to change, like I said, is two things. I said my lug nuts and I said my markers. So right now we're gonna be changing the lug nuts. So I got these black lug nuts. I hope they fit this one. They said they usually fit this one, so they're black. And my rim is kind of like a grayish, I don't know, it's a metallic black or something like that, and this is black, so it matches the car very well. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm trying to get everything into sync until I get my wrap on my car. So that's the next thing. You know, I got so many plans, and I'm trying to get it done like in a good, you know, time frame, so y'all can stay tuned for everything, man. So I'll be working hard trying to get these mods for y'all, bro. So we got this mod. So it's fairly simple, something really easy that you can get. I got these from eBay. I think I got them for like $25, and they're the lock nuts one, so it has a special key for it, so don't lose that key. So yeah, we about to install those right now. Woo. All right, so let's see if this will fit, and will it lock on the lug nut. Moment of truth, moment of truth. I don't think it does it. Do you think it does it, Charles? It goes like in between. I don't think it does it.
You think what does what?
I don't think it locks it.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I don't think it closes it.
You don't think it closes it?
Nah.
What do you mean?
You see how like it's on there?
Yeah, it's on there.
But you,
Yeah, because the little, look, this thing right here,
yeah.
this little nut right here is what goes in the hole.
Yeah.
See this? Look at this.
But it looks like it's not covering it.
No, it's the glue. See the little groove? That's all it is. That's all you're gonna do. You're fine.
All right, so y'all see the difference. I'm gonna show y'all right now. So I got the black lug nuts on there. They kind of stick out too. Give it like a little aggressive. So this is the way it look. I should have just went to the other side. All right, so boom. That's the grandpa. This is the Grizzly Marty. All right. So there you go. So if you wanna, if you get in the Chrysler 300, go ahead and change the lug nuts. These look way better. Yeah. All right. Peace, y'all. I'll see you on the next video. If it don't snow, you will be seeing another video. And if it do snow, you will be seeing another video. Because I'm going to just do something crazy. I'm going to just do something wild for y'all. Peace.